Alright guys, HowToTieaTie here. Do you always find it very difficult to put on your necktie? Worry no more, because today I'm going to illustrate the most easiest and fastest way that you can put on your necktie. It's so quick. Now let's get into the action. So you get your necktie. This is how you do it. Here is it. Then you put it on your neck. Make sure you arrange it very well. That's it. But make sure here is lengthier than the other side. Have you seen it? Yes. And look at here. So short. So when it's this way, then you can cross them this way. You cross them this way. So that's it. So you cross it this way. So after you crossing it, then you come, you put it this way, that's it. So this one, you bring it this way. So after that, here, you insert it. You insert it to cross over the neck side. So with the big side of the necktie, you can do it this way, as you can see. Then you cross it. Have you seen it? I just crossed it. You can see it. I just crossed it. So when you cross it, it comes. You've seen it. This is how it is. So when you cross it, it will come this way. So when it comes, so now the bigger one, still we are on the bigger one. So here is it, the bigger side of the necktie. So that's the lengthier part. So when you cross it this way, then you bring it this way. This is it. You bring it this way, then you cross it to the other side of the hand. That's it. So when you bring it to the other side of the hand, then at the down, so pass it through at the down bottom. Just pass it through here. This is it. So you cross it to the other hand. So here, at the down. So pass it through here. So to be able to go. And let's do this. You pass it through the other side. So gently, as you can see. So here it is. I just pass it through the down on the bottom side. And it's at the front view now. We are still on the bigger part of it, of the necktie. So now, we are about to be done. So here, once you do this, here, this place. So the hole needs to be created. You see my finger. This is the hole. So this is where you put. This is the last procedure of it. Here. So here, you're going to insert it. So still, we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. So you make sure this is the edge of the necktie. You make sure you insert it. Just insert it where I just showed. Just insert it and keep pulling. Have you seen it? So nicely. So this way, I'll pull it at the top. Let me do the color very well. Let me arrange the color with it. Now it is arranged. So this is so simple and fast. So this way at the top, this is how it is. Necktie at the top. So this is how it is. Pull it at the top. So gently, when you are done, you see, here is it. here we go. So simple, the most fastest and easiest way. So now, this is it. When you turn at the back of the bigger side, you've seen that there is a button there, a hole. You can take a look at it very well. This one. So the smaller one here, you make sure you insert it. So here is it. This side with a smaller one, make sure you insert the tip here to go. So you quickly insert it. After inserting, you pull it. Have you seen how straight it is? The most easiest way to put on your necktie so fast. No stress here, so fast. After that, so this is the outcome. Wow. As you can see, this is the outcome. My necktie though is a bit longer, depending on how you want it. Yes, it's ready. So guys, how do you see this? It's so nice, right? So nice. And take a look at it very well, how they are doing this. So nice. Dependent. So it's so nice. When you get this, then you clip it. So guys, how do you see it? Hope it's very nice. So easier and faster. So this is how you wear your necktie if you are in a hurry. Sometimes you want to attend a program, you are in a hurry. So this is the most easiest and quickest ever that you can ever watch to put on your necktie. If you are finding any challenge or difficulty in wearing your necktie, just follow the procedure as we did, and trust me, you are going to do it so easy, so easy. So guys, this is the end of the video. So what do you think? If this video is helpful, if it is very informative and insightful, don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section below. Don't forget to like as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, after that, please stay here. Guys, stay tuned, and we are going to do a whole lot of things here. Kindly stay tuned as we are all learning and we are still growing together. Thank you very much. Bye bye.